Tatak RMN.
Gusto mo bang palaguin ang negosyo mo? Dagdag puhunan, bagong supplies, o additional stores? Gawin nating posible yan with BDO Multi-Purpose Loan. Apply now and enjoy waived loan fees of up to 30,000 pesos. That's more savings you can put straight back into your business. Visit any BDO branch today. Promo runs from March 1 to October 31, 2026. BDO. We find ways. Terms and conditions apply per DTI permit number 249820 series of 2026. BDO is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ng Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pating virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses
Sa
Association.
sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
Your bill, sir.
What? 14,000 pesos for dinner?
1,400 only, sir.
Price check or eyes check for expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. Go to EO Executive Optical.
Your bill, sir.
Order for more. Dessert?
EO, love your eyes. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Sama-sama na naman ang tropa. RH Super nasa lamesa. Patak-patak na para tuloy ang saya. RH Super na ang shot ng tropa.
Drink responsibly. Kapag may RH Super sa lamesa, super ang inuman ng tropa. Bilhin na ng RH Super, ang shot ng tropa. Drink responsibly.
Good para dumiman siya. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Pride Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Good para dumiman siya. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
Basta si Chene Calor,
Dapat matik. Ibay, Jessic.
na Calor, tapensa ko sa el, kung daw ase bueno.
Dapat matik. Ibay, Jessic. Most doctor prescribe sa lagnat. Basta lagnat, wag nang magdalawang isip.
Dapat matik, Ibay-Jessic.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
You must keep your mind on the objective, not on the obstacle. Ika nga ni William Randolph Hearst. From a law student to bar exam until I became a lawyer, grabe talaga ang sakripisyo ko. Nagawa ko lahat dahil focus lang ako sa objective ko. At syempre, sa tulong din ng ating Panginoong Jesus. And every break time ko, hindi ko talaga ini-skip ang MX3 Coffee time ko. Kasabay ng tamang pagkain at ehersisyo. Ang MX3 Coffee ay low acid na, high source of vitamin C and calcium pa. Ako si Attorney Dolly Cruz, MX3 Coffee, dito ako bilib.
MX3. Tested and proven with alpha, beta, at gamma mangosteen.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up.
May budget.
So solid. White Rose Papaya, wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya, wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with White Rose Papaya.
Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up with the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
Tatak RMN.
Dos pleba, asesale, Myra Cough, Myra Cough, Myra Cough. Dos tiene plema, difícil gad, por eso yo yan Myra Cough ya, el duro plema, afford pa, Myra Cough ya.
quality yan.
Roxol hydrochloride is the generic name of Myracoff. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Tayong mga lalaki, kayod araw-araw. Kahit sagad na, lahat kinakaya. Buti na lang may bagong Revicon, ang Strongman's multivitamin. May 5 times more muscle-building lysine versus previous formulation. Revicon, tulong para mas sagad ang lakas mo with proper diet and exercise.
Unilab quality yan.
Multivitamins, minerals, amino acids is the generic name of Revicon. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Revicon Forte, may palagang lakas mo.
Tatak RMN.
Maskin donde, hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.